Generative AI is a groundbreaking technology that allows machines to create content, such as text, images, music, and even videos, that resembles human-made outputs. It is based on advanced machine learning techniques, primarily deep learning, which enable models to understand patterns and generate new data. Here, we'll break down the principles and workings of generative AI in a detailed yet approachable manner. Core concepts behind generative AI. Generative AI operates on three main principles. 1. Training data. Generative AI models are trained on massive datasets containing examples of the type of content they are designed to generate. For instance, a text-based generative AI might be trained on books, articles, and conversations. 2. Machine learning models. These are mathematical frameworks, such as neural networks, designed to identify patterns and relationships within the training data. 3. Probability and prediction. Generative AI models use probability to predict the next element in a sequence, whether it's the next word in a sentence or the next pixel in an image. Key techniques in generative AI. 1. Neural networks. Neural networks are the backbone of generative AI. These networks mimic the way the human brain processes information. In particular, deep neural networks with multiple layers help the model capture complex patterns in the data. 2. Transformers. Transformers are a specific type of neural network architecture that has revolutionized generative AI. Introduced by researchers at Google in 2017, transformers allow models to focus on different parts of the input data, a process called attention. This capability makes them particularly powerful for generating coherent and contextually relevant text, as seen in models like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. 3. Generative Adversarial Networks, GANs. GANs are widely used for generating realistic images and videos. They consist of two parts: a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates new data, while the discriminator evaluates it against real examples. Over time, the generator improves, producing increasingly realistic outputs. 4. Diffusion models. These models generate images by starting with random noise and iteratively refining it to form a coherent image. Diffusion models have gained popularity for their ability to create highly detailed visuals. The training process. Generative AI models undergo a rigorous training process that involves 1. Data collection. Large datasets are collected and pre-processed to ensure quality and relevance. 2. Model training. The model learns by analyzing the training data. It adjusts its internal parameters to minimize the difference between its predictions and actual data points. 3. Fine-tuning. Once the base model is trained, it can be fine-tuned on specific tasks or domains, such as generating medical reports or creating art. How generative AI produces content when prompted. A generative AI model processes the input using its learned patterns and probabilities. For example, 1. Text generation. When given a starting phrase, the model predicts and generates the most likely sequence of words to follow, ensuring coherence and relevance. 2. Image generation. Starting from noise or simple sketches, the model refines details step by step, guided by learned patterns. 3. Music or audio generation. Using patterns from existing music or sounds, the model creates compositions or voice-like audio. Applications of generative AI. Generative AI is transforming industries with applications such as 1. Content creation, automated writing, image design, and video production. 2. Healthcare, drug discovery and medical imaging. 3. Education, personalized learning materials and tutoring systems. 4. Entertainment, game design, music composition, and storytelling. 5. Customer service, chatbots and virtual assistants. Challenges and ethical considerations. Despite its benefits, generative AI poses challenges, including 1. Bias in data. Models can reproduce biases present in training data. 2. Misuse. Generative AI can create fake news, deepfakes, and malicious content. 3. Copyright issues. Generated content may inadvertently replicate copyrighted materials. To address these challenges, researchers and policymakers are working on guidelines to ensure responsible and ethical use of generative AI. Conclusion: generative AI is a powerful and rapidly evolving technology that combines vast datasets, advanced algorithms, and innovative architectures like transformers and GANs. By mimicking human creativity and intelligence, it opens up new possibilities across various fields. However, as we continue to explore its potential, it is crucial to address its challenges responsibly and ensure it benefits humanity as a whole.